Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Northern Coastal Highway Expansion Project. Now this will be a $124 billion expansion project. It's going to be the most expensive road project in Jamaica, but it will be one of the most important. Now look at all of the development taking place on the north coast in Jamaica, from Ocho Rios back to Negril. Unprecedented development, an unprecedented level of development. Never before have you seen so much development. And as a result, well, not as a result, but the government plans to expand the road from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios to 4 lanes, putting in bypasses where necessary. If you try to drive through Draxall now, which is the fastest growing community in Jamaica, you're going to have delays during rush hour because there's just so much traffic. So many people going into Draxall that the traffic is backed up. So we're going to go through and give you guys an update on what is happening with the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. The government of Jamaica is advancing plans for a major infrastructure project to construct a new 4-lane highway from Rose Hall in Montego Bay, St. James to Miami Bay, St. Anne, with an estimated investment of $124 billion or US 800 million. This project is designed to alleviate congestion along the busy northern coastal corridor and enhance transportation efficiency. Key details of the project include: 1. It's going to be a public-private partnership, a PPP. The project will be Jamaica's first public-private partnership road initiative. The International Finance Corporation, a member of the World Bank Group, has been engaged to design and execute the PPP model. The signing of a financial advisory services agreement between the IFC and the Jamaican government took place in Washington, D.C., with Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark and IFC Managing Director Mr. Diop. Another key detail of the project is number 2, highway routes and benefits. The new 4-lane highway will span from Sea Castles to Miami Bay, bypassing congestion-prone areas such as Priory, Runaway Bay, and Discovery Bay in St. Anne. This route is a vital section of the North Coast which is heavily trafficked due to tourism and local travel. The expanded highway will provide a faster, more efficient route for motorists, helping to resolve frequent bottlenecks along the current 2-lane roadway. The third key detail of the project is economic impact. The investment in this highway is expected to significantly boost local economies by improving access to key tourism areas and reducing travel times. It also complements other infrastructure projects in the region, such as the US $275 million Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, which aims to enhance transportation networks around the island's tourism capital, which is Montego Bay. The fourth key detail of the project: government commitment. According to the Minister of State in the Office of the Prime Minister West, the project is in an advanced stage and represents the government's focus on delivering large-scale infrastructure improvements. He emphasized that this is not merely a proposal but will soon become a reality. Once completed, the highway will improve connectivity between the western and northern parts of the island, facilitating easier access for tourism, trade, and local commuters. Alright guys, so this is what you call a mega project. We will keep you guys updated on this. Alright guys, have a good day.